Blink 182's Tom DeLonge has some thoughts about the New Jersey drones. If aliens are the topic of conversation, you better believe Blink 182's Tom DeLonge is going to weigh in. The pop-punk singer-guitarist has offered his thoughts on the recent New Jersey drone phenomenon, and you guessed it, he definitely thinks it is UFOs. The drones that are being discussed can hover for 6 hours and then disappear once they are spotted. This is why it's been hard to get facts from any U.S. agency, DeLonge wrote on a post on Instagram, alongside an image of official U.S. Air Force documentation of observed UFOs. Some of them can even move into the ocean and then back up into the air, which is called transmedium travel, a very hard thing to do, he said. And if you look at this document above, it seems like it's a repeat of exactly what happened in the 60s. The aliens exist, Singer continued. There's a good chance that these things could potentially be mimicking other aircraft, and this even happened more recently in situations at Skinwalker Ranch in Utah. Years ago, when it was being studied, the U.S. government under Bass and ATIP, and again also decades ago in the 60s. It's all something to consider, DeLonge finally added, and although we don't have all the facts yet, we do know that UFOs play with mimicry, and that has been known for quite some time. Why? To get us to notice them without a major freakout. Who knows? But well, we are noticing them nonetheless. In his post, DeLonge also tagged To the Stars, an organization he is part of that, in addition to many other projects, is dedicated to investigating and exploring UFO and extraterrestrial phenomena. Mass drone sightings reportedly began taking place in northeastern United States, particularly in New Jersey, the Garden State, in November, and have prompted near countless tips to government agencies such as the FBI. Responding to the reports, a government official stated, "The sightings to date include a combination of lawful commercial drones, hobbyist drones, and law enforcement drones, as well as unmanned fixed-wing aircraft, helicopters, and stars mistakenly reported as drones. We have not identified a national security public safety risk," the official said. And this is from Vice on DNYUZ. Please leave your thoughts and your comments. Thank you for your support. Support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.